Hi and welcome everybody. Today we are going to learn how to either hand sew or machine sew a little smock dress with a round yoke collar for a composition doll. Now the doll that I'm using, I got on eBay very inexpensively and I just adore her. She's about the size of an American Girl doll, but a little bit more petite. So I'm going to fix a dress for her that's going to have a little bit of give, just because I'm not quite sure what size she's going to make and I haven't sewn for her before. But I'd like to share everything that I know with you so that if you have purchased one of the kits from eBay for this little smock dress, that you'll know how to sew it. Expert seamstresses will know how to sew it right off the bat. So let's just go one by one to the items that are going to be used. This long piece with the little notches cut out is actually the skirt. The whole skirt is all one piece. This is the middle of the dress right here. And you'll see that this little white yoke will be attached when this is all gathered, and one for the back, so that's the front yoke and the back yoke. And I've also made two of them because I'm going to line this. I like the way that the neck is finished. Because this doll has a relatively short neck, I'm not going to do anything other than just put that little band up there. If she had had a longer neck, I might do some band treatment or something like that with it. But for her, because she's just a little girl, I think that's going to be enough for her. I'm not going to do a collar or anything because the shortest part of this doll is her neck. Then we're going to put some sleeves onto this piece, and the sleeves are going to be attached to this longer piece, and then everything is going to be gathered. And then we're going to put a little white band at the bottom and do some lace with it as well. However you want to embellish your dress is perfectly up to you. Then we're going to put a little tiny pocket on it, and I'll show you the tricks on doing pockets. And she's also going to have a little pair of bloomers. Because this doll was made in the 1920s, the dresses are very short on them, and many times, I think that was the Shirley Temple influence, many times they'll have little bottom matching underpanties with some lace on them to show. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to get started on that, and I'll show you step by step how to do it. I know you can do this, so thanks, and we'll see you in the next step.